What KRAs create is focus and clarity of role and expectation. Let me explain it on the whiteboard. The word KRA is basically key results area. R stands for result. Lot of companies also use key performance indices or KPI. To me, they are the same. All right. So, the first thing that you must realize that result means measurability. Can there be a result without measurability? That means whatever is stated as the KRA should have a method and unit of measurement. Otherwise, it is not a KRA. Are we clear? Coming to work on time, is it a KRA? How? What is the result that you are achieving by coming to work on time?
If you come on time, you start your day a little early, you will plan a little early and
What
you will
result?
reflect it
Which
to-
result would you this thing? Coming to work on time is nothing but a discipline. It is not a KRA. Submitting your daily report when required is the discipline. It is not a KRA. Making 10 calls in a day is a task to achieve the result of revenue. Are we clear? So, now we are clear between what is the task, what is the discipline and what is the result. Is everybody clear? Now, as Covey says, we have an organization JPL, ठीक है, which is owned by shareholders, investors and the directors or the people who belong to the family, right. That is the ownership of JPL in different percentages. What does JPL have? It has got different verticals: print, OH, digital, radio, something like this. Within print, you have DJ, you have iNext, you have what is that? Nai Duniya, XYZ, Midday, right. Now, all these options put together, JPL has a top line target of few thousand crores, right. Now, these 1000 crores have been divided into each of this, right. As a company, against this 1000 crores, JPL has a target of having a certain profit, right. Now, and also against each of these verticals, as you call it, so there is a revenue target and there is a bottom line target, which is the profit target, right. Yes or no? Now, below them there are a set of managers, which is, let us say, the level of Vipon, Shailendra Jetli, etc., who are reporting to the directors. Then below them they have, each one of them has some of you. Let us say this is Sunandita below Vipon, right. Similarly, below her there is a set of people like, let us say, Shreya, right. Below you, you have a certain set of people, right? Give me a manager who reports to you, Shreya. Vikram. Then below Vikram, there are few people who are there, right? These people do not have anybody below that, right? They are at the lowest level of the hierarchy, right? Now, this DJ, let us say 100 crores is divided amongst different people in Vipon's level. So, let us say Vipon's share is, let us say 40 crores. Now, that 40 crore is divided here. Now, what she gets, she divides here. So, every level there is a division. So, as you add this up, it should add up to 40 crores, right? And everybody in the chain is trying to achieve his or her level of revenues. So, the first result that anybody including Vipon has to deliver is revenue. Agreed? Right. If you are agreeable on that, then let me share the, let us say take a manager. There is a revenue target is the KRA distribution. There is a KRA distribution called achieve revenue targets. Okay? This is further broken into sub KRA. First is achieve revenue target overall, against which you can get 30 marks. Then achieve revenue DJ, against which you get 10 marks. Again achieve revenue target Nai Duniya, against which you get 10 marks. So, total you can score against this KRA is 50. Okay? Now, second what we are talking of is profitability. So, this revenue has got broken here and from here it has come here. Similarly, this profit also has to be achieved by you only, na? At what price are you selling? How many of you have done commerce? What is contribution? Contribution सुना है? सुना तो है, हाँ? सुना हूँ, याद नहीं है. Contribution का concept is selling price minus variable cost gives you the contribution, which means in our parlance you are selling an ad at a particular rate and you are selling a number of square centimeters against it. So, the ad has to be printed in a newspaper. So, that there is a cost of that space in the newspaper, which is dependent on the edition, because the Kanpur edition will sell more copies than a Gaya edition. So, it depends on the quality of newsprint, the number of copies sold, color versus black and white pages, etc., etc. So, there is a cost of producing that ad, which is dependent on those variables of that particular edition. That is going to be given by finance, and the rate at which sell, that minus that is the contribution. So, there will be a contribution target. I have just put a hypothetical number 40% or more, it could be more or less. So, DJ contribution target 5, Nai Duniya contribution target 5. So, 10 is your total KRA score on contribution. So, this will urge you to sell unused inventories. जहाँ कुछ नहीं छप रहा है वहाँ तो जीरो कंट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है. It will help you because of the loss हो गया. It will help you to increase yields. It will help you to package where the main edition का आपने yield बढ़ाया, बाहर कम करके लेकिन overall value create कर दिया. So, this will help you in your packaging tactics. Scheduling. Centrally, Mr. Jaitley is looking after scheduling improvement. Now, if Kanpur main office scheduling has to improve, there has to be a certain process which has to be followed by respective offices. If there is a rule that you cannot enter an RO for tomorrow's editions after 4 o'clock in the evening, that is a process which has to be complied. If the regional office does not follow it, central scheduling cannot take care of it. Then there is conflict of position. मुझे भी फ्रंट पेज चाहिए, तुम्हें भी फ्रंट पेज चाहिए, नहीं देखो तो मैं नहीं लूँगा, लॉस ऑफ रेवेन्यू होता है. how do we reduce that loss of revenue? Okay. Now, I will show you afterwards how to IT support. All of you want a lot of data in IT. Now, IT is a fool, is an idiot. It is said that garbage in, garbage out. So, the garbage in is in our hands. So, if you have to enter data in a particular manner, you better do it, otherwise you can't expect the reports that you want.